You did a smile? Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you know what we're going to talk about today? No? Well, first we are going to talk about the letter D, right? And you guys have been learning this in class.
Yeah, it's D, dog, D.
High five, girl. That's amazing. So this will be super easy for you. So we're going to learn to talk about the letter D and the sound it makes, right? Because we got to know the sound. And let me see real quick. First, we're going to walk around the room, okay? Or we could just even sit here and look around the room. And we need to look for things that start with the letter D.
It's like a game.
It's like a game, exactly.
Yeah.
So let me do the first one. Door. Does door start with the letter D? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What else? Let's start with the letter D in here. We got door. Can you think of any?
Lantern?
What?
Lantern? That's
No.
not
That sounds like an L. What about this dog?
Yeah.
Does this dog? He's in the room.
Yeah, because it says D, dog, D.
Yep. So dog starts with D.
Mm-hmm.
Anything else you can think of?
Horse?
Horse doesn't start with a D. What does horse start with?
B.
Makes the sound. You guys been working on
H.
that? H. Beautiful. Okay. Well, we got one thing. Maybe we can keep thinking. I see a lot over in the kitchen area, like deli mustard.
Yeah.
That could be one.
I don't know what deli mustard is.
Do you know what mustard is?
Yeah.
It's just the type of mustard.
I taste it and it tastes gross.
I'm gonna taste. Oh, you don't like mustard?
Yeah.
Some people don't. I
Yeah.
think it's okay. But it took. When I was your age, I didn't like mustard.
When you were my age, you didn't like mustard?
Mm-mm.
When
No, I only like ketchup.
When I grow up, I think I'm gonna like mustard and ketchup.
You might.
I love ketchup already.
So we're gonna do the foundations card. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna say it, and then you echo it, just like you guys do in class. Okay.
Alright.
So D, dog, D.
D, dog, D.
Awesome! You did that so loud. Now, we're going to look at some of these cards, and I'm going to read the words, because some of them you might know. Some of them are a little big, and you might not know them.
I can't
And you're
read
gonna,
yet.
Yeah, you can't read yet. And you're just going to point to the D, okay? So, first one's dog. Where's the D? Yup, it's the beginning. That's pretty easy, right? Because it's a capital D.
Yeah.
But then the lowercase d, it can be kind of hard, huh? Because
Yeah.
it's like the opposite of the lowercase b.
Yeah.
But you
It's
got
easy
that.
for me.
It's like a dog, right? It has a little tail that comes
Mhm.
on the end. How about diamond? Hold on, let me flip it.
Yep.
Where's D? Diamond has a D at the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, what about food?
Mhm.
Where's the D? Yup, at the end. And that's the lowercase, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about there? Dig. D, beautiful. What about mood? Yep, there's the D. Whoops.
It's hard for other people, but I can do it.
It's hard for, yeah, you could do it. Wood. There's the D.
Mhm.
Weld. There's the D. You're good at this. And wedding. This one could be tricky. There's two, right?
Mhm.
Two D's right next to each other. Look
I
at
don't
you.
like wedding.
You don't like wedding?
Yeah, and I have this vampire song that they're gonna get married.
And you don't like that?
Yeah, and my baby sister recorded it for no reason.
Your baby sister knows how to record things? Man, she
Yeah.
could probably figure out my TV.
She can't.
She
She
can?
Because she'll mess up everything.
Oh, she'll mess
She's
up
a
everything.
teenager and she never stops crying.
Really?
Yeah, she
Poor thing.
cries a lot at home for no reason.
Is this Nia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she says a lot of bad words from bad shows.
Oh no.
Like
That happens. They repeat everything, huh?
Yeah.
You say something and then she'll say something.
She even says stupid. She said stupid to.
Did you tell her not to say that?
Yeah, and
Okay,
she
good.
said stupid this morning at me and Maya.
Oh no.
She doesn't know how to do anything.
Well, she's little. Yeah. If you guys remind her that's not a good word, then maybe she won't do it. Okay. So we did that, and now I'll say the words without showing them to you, and see if you can say the word but emphasize the duh. Do you know what that means? So if I say the word dog, you're gonna say dog. So I can hear you say it, okay?
Like dog.
Dog.
Yeah.
What about, that one's harder. How about wood? Wood.
Wood.
Say wood and then say d.
Wood.
Beautiful. What about mood? Can you say mood?
Mood. Mood.
Dig.
Dig.
Food.
Food.
Look at you. Diamond.
Diamond.
Perfect. See, this is so easy for you. I love it. So, the words. Okay, now I'm going to say 2 words, and you're going to tell me which word has the D. Okay?
Okay.
So, dog and pillow. Which word has the D? Dog. That one's easy. I started with an easy one for you. What about diamond and food?
Diamond.
You sure? This could be a trick question.
Yeah.
Diamond and food.
Diamond.
Diamond. Well, they both have D's, right?
Yeah.
Because diamond, right here, is a lot like...
Food.
Does that have a D?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They both got.
They both got D's. That one's a little bit harder of a one. What about dig and fun? Which one has the D word? Or D letter? Dig. Mood. This one could be tricky. Listen, mood or loud?
Mood.
What about loud? Do you hear the D sound? Loud.
Yeah.
So mood or loud, do they both have it?
Both.
Awesome. And what about, wedding or kid?
Wedding and kid, I think?
Yeah, because kid at the end. Kid.
Did you know I seen the Mama Winter one before?
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday when I went to the zoo. And
Cool.
I saw its face and it was tricky at me.
It was tricking at you? Was it looking at you?
Yeah, and it was looking and it was licking its lips.
Oh, it was licking its lips. Those guys are so cute. Okay, now that we did that, okay, can you tell me from the words we have here, can you tell me 3 of the words that have the D letter? Mm-hmm. Okay, say 3 words. It could be any of those.
Dog.
Dog's one. What's another one?
Wedding.
Wedding, awesome.
Diamond.
Diamond. That one was easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was the only ones I could think.
Now, I'm going to have you practice on this piece of paper, just writing a capital D and a lowercase d.
Okay.
Practice writing those. Kinda. But remember, when you guys practice, the skyline down here. Let me actually make the skyline and the grass line for you. That would make it really easy, huh?
Yeah.
So skyline. Got to have the plane line. And I'll draw the squirrel line, even though we don't, or a snail line. So clouds.
You can draw whatever you want.
Oh, thank you.
Because
Plane.
teachers can teach what they want to do.
Grass. And then the snail, which I can't really draw a snail. Okay, so now here's the skyline, plane line, and grass line. So now do the D's, capital and lowercase, the way that you've been practicing
Start
with the
up
skyline.
the skyline.
Mm-hmm.
Go down to the
Grass
grass
line.
line.
Come back
Trace
up.
back up. Then go back to the grass line.
Beautiful. Can you do one more, and then we could do a lowercase d?
Yep. Start at the
Start at the skyline.
skyline.
Go down to the grass line.
Trace back up.
And
Then
down.
and back down.
Awesome. Now do the lowercase d.
Go
Where do you start with the lowercase d?
Hmm?
Okay. Skyline.
Skyline down to the grass line. Trace over here and do this.
Oh, I think that's a B though. Will you fix that to make it look like this?
Ooh, it needs to be on this.
Yeah,
side.
it needs to be on this side, right? Because it has a little tail like a puppy. That's how I think of it.
Yeah.
Here, we can erase that one.
I like.
We could try again.
Yeah. We can try again if we want.
Okay, try again.
Alright. Go down to plane.
Oh, you might need to give yourself more room, right? How about you do the D right here? Lowercase d right here.
Go down to the plane. I mean grass line.
Trace back up.
Trace back up.
Wait, just to the plane line.
To
And then
plane,
down and around.
then down and around.
Just like that. Here, let's practice it again.
Hold on, let me put a little.
Oh, the little tail, yeah.
Go down.
Mm-hmm.
Trace back up.
Oh, you went too high.
Oh.
Right, just back up to the plane line.
Oh.
That's okay.
Sorry.
You can still do it. Trace back up to the plane line.
Trace back
And
up.
down and around.
Down and around.
Let me make a few more lines. Let's practice that lowercase d, because it can be tricky, huh?
Yeah, it can be tricky.
Cloud.
And I know how to write H's.
You know how to write H's? That's good. Have you
Yeah,
guys been
because
practicing those?
I know what I have two H's. I know how to write H.
So right here. Start at the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plane line.
Trace back up to the
Just the plane line. You don't have to go all the way to the skyline. And then go down and around. Just like this.
and go down and around.
Try again.
It's kind of like a R, except you go down a long line, then go back
To here. And then you go
to the
down and
plane
around.
line, then go around.
Yeah. Just like that. It just takes some practice, right?
Yeah. The way I do it is put a line down, then do a circle.
Yeah.
That's the way. That's easy for me.
Yeah. It just takes practice, right? Because you
Yeah.
probably practiced that way before.
Mhm.
But we would practice this way, the way that Miss Horn's teaching. You'll
Mhm.
get it just fine, just like this one. So today we learned about the letter D and the sound it makes, right?
Mhm.
What's the sound it makes?
D. No.
Dog. Yeah.
D. Dog.
D. Beautiful. And we talked about how many different things have the letter D in it, right? Did you know all of these cards? All of these things have the letter D in it. Do you have any questions? Or do you think you got it? You just need to practice writing a little?
Go down across.